Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to make your Facebook post shareable, okay? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, or method 1, is by making a new post shareable. For example, let's go ahead and create a simple post right here. Maybe hi. Now, once that's done, just tap on next. Now, in here, make sure that the post is set to what? Public, okay? Public right here, not friends or other options. Just make it public so it's shareable. Also, who can comment, okay? You go ahead and tap on this option as well, and you can make it public. Now, what if, okay, you wanted to edit or make an existing post shareable? So let's go ahead and use this example. Tap on the 3 dots, and then just go ahead and tap on edit privacy, okay? If it's set to friends only, well, go ahead and make it public. Hit on save. Swipe down. Now your friends could go ahead and share this one. Okay? That's basically it. That's how simple it is to make a Facebook post shareable. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.